Search engines have become an essential part of our daily lives. But what if your search tool could do more than return a list of links? What if it could engage in a conversation, understand your intent, and provide precise answers directly? Meet SearchGPT, a prototype search engine launched by OpenAI on July 26, 2024. This innovative tool blends the functionality of a traditional search engine with the power of generative AI to create a whole new search experience. SearchGPT positions OpenAI as a significant contender in the search engine landscape, challenging giants like Google and Bing. Initially released to 10,000 test users, the platform's limited rollout saw high demand, with the waitlist closing by mid-August 2024. OpenAI's long-term plan is to integrate SearchGPT's capabilities directly into ChatGPT, making it a seamless part of the conversational AI experience. The core of SearchGPT lies in its ability to harness both real-time web information and AI-generated insights. Traditional search engines provide users with lists of links to explore, but SearchGPT goes a step further by delivering concise answers, summaries, and insights based on the context of the user's query. It leverages retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, to ensure the accuracy of responses. RAG integrates relevant data from external sources into the AI's responses, minimizing hallucinations, incorrect or fabricated outputs, and enhancing the reliability of the information provided. When a user enters a query, SearchGPT converts it into numerical embeddings that capture the query's meaning and intent. It then scans a vector database to retrieve the most relevant information, likely using Bing's web index to draw on trusted sources. By incorporating these results into its response, SearchGPT ensures transparency by linking back to the original sources. This way, users not only receive precise answers, but also have the option to explore the underlying content further through a dedicated citations panel. SearchGPT offers several key features designed to enhance user interaction. Its conversational interface makes searches feel like natural, flowing dialogues. Direct answers replace traditional search results, allowing users to get the information they need without navigating multiple links. A citations panel provides links to the sources that contributed to the response, promoting trust and accountability. Additionally, users can engage with follow-up questions, creating an interactive and dynamic search experience. With SearchGPT, OpenAI is redefining how we interact with search engines, offering users an experience that feels more like a conversation than a traditional search. By blending the power of AI with real-time web data, SearchGPT aims to provide more accurate, relevant, and insightful responses than ever before. Whether it's a brief answer or a deep dive into complex topics, SearchGPT makes search feel smarter, smoother, and more personal. As OpenAI integrates this tool into ChatGPT, it's clear that the future of search is conversational, interactive, and powered by AI. Stay tuned, because SearchGPT is just the beginning. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Technologies for more videos like this one.